We're going to work on our white balance. You're going to change the auto white balance on your camera, and you're going to use the same ISO each time. Whoa, hold on a minute. Let's see, white balance. Let me just get rid of that space. So here we're going to set our white balance to tungsten, flash, cloudy, shade, and daylight. If you don't have one of these items, just cross it out and put the one that you do have. So what is white balance? Let's take a look. White balance is the color temperature that you set in your camera. The back of your camera will look something like this. And there's all these different icons. We have incandescent, and this is a photograph. The only thing they did was change the white balance, or the degrees Kelvin. We have incandescent, standard, direct, flash, cloudy, and shade. We go from 2000 degrees Kelvin all the way to 9000 degrees Kelvin, from warm to cool. Here we can see an example from daylight all the way to flash, and the different color temperatures that occur in your camera. Here we have auto white balance all the way from 3000 degrees Kelvin all the way to what they call native. Here's another example on cloudy, incandescent, and tungsten. And then here's the example for our class. Here I set the camera to daylight, shade, fluorescent, and tungsten. Here's another example of different white balance set in your camera. And here we have another examples of white balance. So once again, you change the white balance on your camera. Your aperture, shutter speed, and ISO should be exactly the same. It shouldn't change. Try tungsten, flash, cloudy, shade, and daylight.